Did you know that a full engine replacement can cost anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000, sometimes even more if you're driving a luxury or performance car? And here's the scary part. Most of these costly repairs could have been avoided with just a few simple maintenance habits. Crazy, right? But don't worry today. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to save yourself thousands and keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Let's dive in. Number 1. Change oil and filter regularly. Regularly changing your oil and filter is one of the easiest ways to protect your engine from expensive damage. And yet, so many car owners neglect it until it's too late. Here's the thing. Oil does more than just lubricate moving parts. It absorbs heat, carries away contaminants, and prevents metal-on-metal grinding. But as you drive, oil naturally gets dirty, picking up carbon, dirt, and debris from engine wear and fuel combustion. Over time, this turns it into sludge that clogs the system and makes your engine work harder. Dirty oil won't lubricate properly, causing crucial components like pistons, camshafts, and bearings to wear down faster. Before you know it, you're looking at a repair bill that could easily hit $5,000 or more for engine rebuilds or replacement. Avoiding this nightmare is simple. Follow your manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, usually every 5,000 to 10,000 miles depending on the car and oil type. But here's the key. Don't just change the oil, replace the oil filter too. The filter traps contaminants, and when it's clogged, dirty oil bypasses it and circulates through the engine, accelerating wear. Also, always use the correct oil grade for your car. Modern engines are designed to run on specific oil viscosity, and using the wrong one could reduce lubrication, affect performance, or even trigger warning lights. Invest in high-quality oil and filters. Yes, it costs a bit more upfront, but compared to engine repairs, it's a drop in the bucket. Number 2. Use quality fuel. Cheap, low-quality fuel might seem like a good way to save a few bucks at the pump, but it can lead to long-term problems that cost you thousands. Here's why. Low-grade or contaminated fuel often contains impurities and lower octane levels, which can cause engine knocking. Knocking happens when the fuel-air mixture detonates unevenly in the engine's cylinders, creating vibrations that can damage pistons, cylinder walls, and valves. Over time, this can lead to cracked engine components and expensive repairs. High-quality fuel, on the other hand, ensures smooth combustion and better protection for sensitive engine parts. It burns cleaner, reducing carbon buildup on vital components like the intake valves and fuel injectors. Less buildup means fewer clogs, smoother performance, and improved fuel efficiency. For cars with turbochargers or high-compression engines, using premium fuel when recommended is crucial because it prevents knocking and optimizes power output. Here's the tip that could save you from disaster. Always use the fuel grade recommended in your owner's manual. If your car calls for premium fuel, don't switch to regular just to save a few cents. It could cost you thousands in engine repairs down the road. Also, avoid gas stations with a reputation for poor fuel quality or water contamination. Number 3. Maintain proper tire pressure. Believe it or not, something as simple as maintaining proper tire pressure can help prevent costly engine repairs. Here's how it works. When your tires are underinflated, they create more friction with the road. This added friction causes your tires to overheat and wear out faster, but more importantly, it forces your engine to work harder to maintain speed and performance. Over time, this extra strain leads to increased fuel consumption, overheating, and accelerated wear on engine components. Think of it like running with heavy shoes. You'll get tired much faster. The same applies to your car's engine. The harder it works, the quicker components like the pistons, crankshaft, and bearings wear down, increasing the likelihood of expensive repairs. You might not notice it at first, but that constant extra effort slowly eats away at the engine's lifespan. To avoid this, regularly check your tire pressure at least once a month or before long trips. Use a pressure gauge to ensure your tires are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended level, usually found on a sticker inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. Properly inflated tires not only reduce engine strain, but also improve fuel efficiency, giving you better mileage and performance. If you're finding this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows. Number 4. Monitor and change coolant. Coolant plays a critical role in regulating your engine's temperature, preventing it from overheating or freezing in extreme weather. But it doesn't stop there. Coolant also contains anti-corrosion additives that protect internal components, including the radiator, water pump, cylinder heads, and engine block from rust and corrosion. Over time, these additives break down, and the coolant becomes acidic, leading to corrosion of sensitive parts like aluminum cylinder heads, which are much softer and more prone to damage compared to older cast iron engines. Corrosion can create small holes or cracks in the cooling system, leading to coolant leaks, overheating, and in severe cases, warped engine parts or blown head gaskets, which could cost you thousands to repair. The solution is simple. Monitor your coolant levels and replace it at regular intervals specified in your car's manual, usually every 50,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type of coolant. Don't wait for warning signs like engine overheating or coolant leaks. Also, make sure you use the correct type of coolant. Different engines require specific formulations to prevent chemical reactions and damage. Regular maintenance of your coolant system will keep your engine cool, clean, and corrosion-free, saving you from costly repairs down the line. Number 5. Avoid over-revving the engine. Revving your engine too much may sound fun, but it's one of the quickest ways to shave years off your engine's life. When you over-rev the engine, you're making it operate at maximum RPMs, forcing internal components like pistons, valves, and connecting rods to move at extreme speeds. This generates excessive heat and friction, leading to faster wear and tear on parts that are already under high stress during normal operation. Over-revving can cause severe damage like valve float, when valves can't close quickly enough, worn bearings, or even connecting rod failure, which could result in catastrophic engine damage requiring a rebuild or full replacement. Even if you don't immediately feel the damage, the long-term effects of consistently over-revving include reduced engine efficiency, increased oil consumption, and eventual mechanical failure. To avoid this costly mistake, accelerate smoothly and shift gears at the recommended RPM levels, whether you're driving a manual or automatic car. Avoid flooring the gas pedal unnecessarily or holding the engine at redline for prolonged periods, especially when merging onto highways or overtaking. Occasional spirited driving is fine, but if you make it a habit, your engine will pay the price. Remember, smooth driving doesn't just save fuel, it also reduces wear on the engine, extending its life. Number 6. Check and change spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chamber, creating the controlled explosions that power your car. When spark plugs are worn or dirty, they can't create a strong spark, leading to incomplete combustion. This can cause the engine to misfire, lose power, and consume more fuel. Worse, it can create carbon buildup on key components like piston, valves, and the catalytic converter, leading to long-term engine damage that can cost you thousands to fix. Faulty spark plugs also put extra strain on your ignition coils and fuel system, as the car tries to compensate for the weak spark by injecting more fuel. Over time, this imbalance leads to overheating, damaged sensors, and clogged catalytic converters, all of which require expensive repairs or replacement. To prevent this, inspect and change your spark plugs according to the manufacturer's recommendation, typically every 30,000 to 100,000 miles. Signs that your spark plugs may need replacement include rough idling, sluggish acceleration, or a check engine light. Always use high-quality spark plugs designed for your engine to ensure proper combustion and avoid costly damage. Number 7. Avoid short trips. Taking frequent short trips may seem harmless, but they can quietly destroy your engine over time. Here's why. When you start your car, the engine needs time to warm up to its optimal operating temperature. During short trips, the engine often doesn't get the chance to fully warm up, which prevents the oil from flowing smoothly and lubricating key components. Cold oil is thicker and less effective at reducing friction, causing internal parts like pistons, crankshafts, and camshafts to wear out prematurely. Additionally, when the engine is cold, fuel doesn't burn efficiently, leading to excess fuel entering the combustion chamber and seeping into the oil. This dilutes the oil and reduces its ability to protect the engine, increasing wear and tear. Over time, this can result in damaged piston rings, clogged oil passages, and even complete engine failure, all of which could cost you thousands in repairs. To avoid this problem, try to combine errands into one longer trip whenever possible. If you need to make short trips frequently, consider giving the car a few extra seconds to warm up before driving. Highway driving or longer trips allow the engine to reach and maintain the proper temperature, which keeps oil at the right viscosity and reduces internal wear. Number 8. Change transmission fluid on time. Many car owners overlook the importance of changing transmission fluid, but neglecting it could quietly destroy your engine. Here's the connection. Your transmission and engine work together, and when the transmission fluid is old, dirty, or low, it creates extra friction within the transmission. This forces the engine to work harder to maintain performance, leading to increased wear on critical engine components like the crankshaft and connecting rods. Dirty or degraded transmission fluid also reduces the efficiency of gear shifts, causing jerking or slipping between gears. Over time, this puts additional strain on the engine, which has to compensate for the lack of smooth power transfer. Prolonged exposure to this stress can cause overheating, damage to engine mounts, and increased fuel consumption. What's worse is that some modern cars advertise lifetime transmission fluid, but that's misleading. In reality, transmission fluid still breaks down over time due to heat and friction. To prevent costly damage, follow the manufacturer's recommended transmission fluid change interval, typically every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. If you tow heavy loads or frequently drive in stop-and-go traffic, you may need to change it more often. Always use the recommended fluid type for your vehicle, as incorrect fluids can cause transmission failure. Number 9. Use high-quality replacement parts. When it comes to replacing parts on your car, going for the cheapest option might feel like a win, but it's actually a shortcut to expensive repairs. Here's why. Modern engines rely heavily on precision parts and advanced sensors to regulate everything from air intake to fuel injection. If you install low-quality or counterfeit parts, especially critical components like mass airflow sensors, oxygen sensors, or timing belts, they're likely to fail prematurely. When they do, they don't just affect one system, they can throw off your entire engine's performance. For example, a cheap mass airflow sensor may give incorrect readings, leading to improper air-fuel ratios that cause engine knocking, reduced fuel efficiency, and carbon buildup. Similarly, a poorly made timing belt can snap unexpectedly, causing catastrophic damage to the engine's valves and pistons repairs that can cost several $1,000s. The same goes for low-cost filters, spark plugs, or ignition coils. They may work for a short time, but they won't provide the long-term protection your engine needs. To avoid these issues, always invest in high-quality OEM or reputable aftermarket parts. Quality parts are designed to fit and function exactly as the manufacturer intended, ensuring optimal engine performance and longevity. Skimping on parts might save you a few dollars up front, but when those parts fail and lead to major engine damage, you'll be facing repair bills that could have easily been avoided. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows.